Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Urad whole black lentils. First, it is essential to prepare your lentils by soaking them thoroughly. Place 1 cup of whole black Urad lentils into a large bowl, covering them with at least 3 cups of fresh, cool water. Allow the lentils to soak for a minimum of 8 hours, or ideally, overnight, which will ensure they soften perfectly. After soaking, drain and rinse your lentils under cool, running water until the water runs clear. Transfer the rinsed lentils to a pressure cooker and add 3 cups of fresh water for every 1 cup of lentils, along with a ½ teaspoon of salt. Close the lid and cook on high heat until you hear 3 to 4 whistles, then let the pressure release naturally for about 15 minutes, yielding beautifully tender lentils. If you prefer the stovetop method, place your rinsed, soaked lentils into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add 5 cups of fresh water for every 1 cup of lentils, bringing the mixture to a strong boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover partially, and let them gently simmer for 45 to 60 minutes. Stir occasionally, adding more hot water if needed, until they reach a wonderfully soft consistency. To elevate the flavor of your cooked lentils, prepare a traditional tempering, or tadka. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil in a small skillet over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, letting them splutter briefly. Stir in 1 small, finely chopped onion and cook until it turns translucent and soft, adding a wonderful aroma. Then, mix in 1 teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, cooking for 1 minute before pouring this fragrant mixture directly into your prepared lentils.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.